This is a short video guide to Convector's new release, CityArt5. CityArt5 is a combination of Convector's most popular and comprehensive courses on chess tactics, capable of guiding you all the way from the beginner to advanced level. It includes hundreds of lessons, thousands of examples and exercises. But let us start from the beginning. As we have already mentioned, CityArt5 consists of 3 courses brought together in the Peshka interface. Let's take a look at them. After installing and launching the program, click on the Courses button. This video uses the downloadable version of CityArt5 that includes a free Mikhail Botvinnik demo course, but we will focus on the CityArt5 courses: CityArt4, Chess Tactics Art for Beginners, and CityArt Mating Combinations. CityArt4 is a renowned chess tactics course for intermediate players, going all the way into the advanced level territory. The course has been voted more than once by chess experts as the best training program on chess tactics. CityArt4 includes 4,000 exercises. CityArt for Beginners is, as the name suggests, one of the best training courses for beginners. It contains 150 teaching examples, introducing you to typical chess combinations, and 1,500 new exercises. CityArt Mating Combinations is made for club and intermediate players, and is a great course to study when you have already finished CityArt for Beginners, but still find it too difficult to solve most exercises given in CityArt4. CityArt Mating Combinations explores the peculiarities of using certain pieces in mating combinations. Let's start with CityArt for Beginners. This course has the basic structure used in most courses in the Peshka interface. It has 2 main modes: practice and theory. You'll probably want to learn some theory before starting to solve exercises, so let's switch to this mode. The navigation box displays various topics, like opening lines, clearing important squares, etc. Let us select the Exploiting a Pin topic. The notation box displays the text of the first mini-lesson with an example, and the board box shows the position from the example. Clicking on a move or otherwise scrolling through the notation, for instance using the mouse wheel, immediately changes the position on the board. Many examples include alternative lines that may be useful for your studies. Each topic has a number of examples. You can switch between them using the taskbar located right under the ribbon. After showing you enough of similar examples, the program will give you a new piece of theory. Let us now switch to the practice mode. This mode contains 1,500 exercises, divided into categories. The program marks each exercise, depending on whether you solved it or not. If you need a hint, switch to the Help tab and click on Task Hint. In this case, the program shows us that we are expected to move the queen. If we sacrifice the queen and capture the knight, the bishop will be able to take the black queen, forcing the king to save himself while we finish the black rook. Let us move on to the next course, CityArt Mating Combinations. As you can probably guess, this course illustrates the peculiarities of using certain pieces in mating combinations. The course uses a different method of presenting the theory, the iBook format, which is basically an interactive digital book. Any position and notation in the text can be immediately visualized on the board just by clicking on it. The course also includes some 700 exercises. To practice, just click on the Study button. The Theory button is disabled because the theory is already given in the iBook section. In all other respects, the interface here is the same as in the previous course. Select a chapter and solve the exercises. Let us now switch to City Art 4, the crowning jewel of this collection. At first, it may seem lacking. Both the Theory and iBook buttons are disabled. But this first impression is misleading. While City Art 4 only has the practice mode, every example here is provided with visual hints demonstrating its main points and principal acting pieces. Just look. And if you fail, the program will give you an easier exercise with the same idea, but on a smaller board, to help you focus. At this point, all this actually helps more than text descriptions. Let us now take a look at other features offered by the Peshka interface. The ELO rating button allows you to track your progress. The program modifies your ELO rating after each exercise. If you want a challenge, click on Test. Set the properties of your test and click Start Test. The program will make a set of random exercises for you to solve. You can skip through them using the taskbar. Let's try to solve this one. If you make a wrong move, the program will give you a hint. Positions emerging after some examples and exercises are just too intriguing to pass them by. You can continue playing against the computer from any position currently on the board by clicking the Play button. History saves your actions for review. The Statistics button gives you detailed statistical data on each lesson. The Tools tab has some advanced options you may want to use. The Wizard button allows you to add more downloadable courses. The Default Layout button restores the layout of boxes, like Board, Navigation, Book, and Notation. Click on it if you have mixed them up. The Players button is used to manage different user profiles. Useful if the course is studied by several people. Each player's statistics will be stored and managed separately. The Quick Print button will print the current task, and Preview allows you to preview the result. The Options button opens its own box with a number of tabs. There you can set the time given to the chess engine on each move, animation speed, print options, etc. The task mirroring options under the Play tab allow you to mirror positions, effectively multiplying the number of exercises by 4 and improving your positional awareness.